what are supercritical fluids. In a few words, supercritical fluids are fluids that the condition of pressure and temperature are above its critical point. Here in my screen, you can see a pressure temperature chart of the N-butane, and the blue line represents the equilibrium phase between the liquids. At this side, I have low temperature and I can have high pressure, and the gas phase or the vapor phase, where I have high temperature and I can have low pressure. But if I increase the temperature and I increase the pressure, I will get my equilibrium curve until I reach the yellow point. The yellow point, I have the critical point, and from above this point, my fluid is not a liquid, it's not a gas, it can be something between both of them and with some specific properties. So to verify what is the critical point of a fluid, if you are using the Eisenhower, you just need to go to table of the attachment envelope and verify the lowest or the latest pressure and also temperature. So this pair of information is the critical pressure and the critical temperature of the fluid. Verify that in normal operating conditions, for instance, 90 Fahrenheit and 44 psi, the N-butane will be a liquid, but if I increase the temperature and the pressure, it will reach the critical point.